All right, guys, we have the Fanttik V10 Mix Slim Cordless Car Vacuum. This thing is more than just a car vacuum, dude. So first of all, you can actually blow up like air mattresses and stuff like this. The air pushes out of this end, so you're able to do that. But what's cool about it is this end is going to be the vacuum part, and this end is going to be like the air compressor part or air blowing part. So, when you get your car detailed, a lot of times what the detailer will do is they'll obviously vacuum up everything, but then also dusty areas, they'll actually use it to kind of like blow the air. So you have basically three different connectors here. One is super long, one is super thin, and then you've got this one as well. These are all three connectors onto the air compressor that allows the air to blow that way. So I'm going to show that first. That's setting one. So you can see that's blowing the bag. Now I'm going to go two. So there's two settings. And you can see that's really blowing a lot of air. So this thing's very cool. If you need it to be more concentrated, you can use that smaller one, and that's going to force the air through an even smaller hole. So definitely good for getting in the cracks and crevices, getting the dust out. But then also on this end, this is going to be the vacuum end. So on the vacuum end, let's just go ahead. I like this one the most for the car because you're going to be able to get in between the seats, in the cracks and all that kind of stuff. Now, as you can see right here, I actually have some sprinkles here, and I'm just going to show you how great this thing works. I've been trying it out all morning today. So you can hear that is sucking that up. We got it on the high setting right now. Watch. We're sucking it right in, guys. This thing works really well. It's perfect. As you can see, we've got the sprinkles in there already. So this thing's great. You can easily, I'll show you how the emptying part works. All you do is click that button there. It opens right up, and we could dump that right into the trash. I don't want to dump it back out here, but you get the picture. This thing's super nice. Look how compact it is. All you do is you use the USB-C cord to recharge it. You've also got a couple other attachments. Perfect for your car. Perfect for your couch, honestly. Cracks and crevices. Look how small this is. You could keep this in your center console or in your glove compartment or in like somewhere in the back of the car. Great to just have on hand, especially if you got kids and they're spilling stuff all over. Fanttik makes really good stuff. I can tell you this is very high quality. Love it.